Hello my beautiful glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli, and in this channel you're going to find home decor, DIYs, fashion, beauty, and so much more. And in today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you how I decorated my coffee station for Valentine's Day. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, don't move, stay right there, and let's do this a glam style. And as you can see, I've already cleaned up the space that we are going to be working with. Next, I'm going to be adding this beautiful mirror tray right next to my coffee maker. I'm also going to be adding 3 apothecary jars. One is going to be outside the mirror tray and 2 are going to be inside. And as you can see, these 2 jars have little diamonds in the handle and at the bottom. This third one, however, doesn't have them. So we're going to be glamming up this jar and I'm going to show you how I did it. It's extremely simple. All you need is this diamond chains that you can get at Amazon. And all you're going to do is you're going to get your chain and measure it around the handle. Cut it to the right size and glue it with your hot glue gun. For a stronger hold, you can use E6000 or Gorilla Glue. And that's what you're going to do to the whole handle until you fill it with the diamonds or you get the desired look you're going for. Next, I'm going to be styling my jars with this fabulous ribbon I found at Michael's. And all I did was wrap it around my jar and cut it to the desired length. And I also ducktail the ends because this gives it a much more professional and elegant look. Once I had that going, all I did was use just a little dot of hot glue and glued it to the apothecary jar. Next, I decided to add hearts, and as you see me right here, I couldn't decide if I wanted a pink one or a red one, but of course I went with the red one. And of course I did the exact same thing to all 3 jars, but the last one I didn't have enough ribbon, so I just went around the rim of the jar as you're about to see right now. Also, on this shorter one, I decided to leave one side of the ribbon slightly longer than the other one. I just thought it looked so cute like this, and I feel like those little details is what makes the difference when it comes to decorating in your style. And right here, I'm just adding a little heart to the top of the jar just with a little bit of hot glue, and that just brought the whole look together. And now we are ready to start filling up our jars. And this little one, I'm adding my instant coffee. If you don't use instant coffee, you can just add your little pods instead. And this is the coffee that I use, you guys. This is so good. It has like a little hint of cinnamon and it's just so yummy. And I'm also adding a little hard spoon that I have, and this is just to make it easier for me every morning that I make my coffee. On the taller jar, I'm going to be adding this Valentine's theme M&Ms, and they're just so cute with the red, the pink, and the white. They go perfectly in harmony with the color scheme that I'm going for. And on the last jar, I'm adding this Lucky Charm marshmallows. I was looking for some hard marshmallows, but I couldn't find any, so I had to work with what I had. Next, we're going to be working on this coffee and love sign. And for this, I'm using a picture frame that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm also using a Valentine's gift bag that I got at Dollar General. So the first thing I did was take off the back piece of the frame and measure the bag with the back cardboard piece of the frame. Then I proceeded to cut it to size to fit the frame. Next, you just assemble everything back together and you will have something like this. Once I had that ready, I used one of these felt hearts and proceeded to start adding my letters, always starting with the middle ones. A really quick tip, You just want to start adding your letters without pressing them down to make sure that you're placing them exactly where you want them. And you're gonna see me here moving them up and down, basically just playing with them until I had them exactly where I want them. Once I had that done, I just simply press them down to lock them in place. Then I just simply attached it to the frame with just a dot of hot glue. And to hang it up on my backsplash, all I used was a command strip. Next, I found this really cute champagne glass at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was so cute I had to bring it home with me. And I'm just placing it in the back of my mirror tray and placing this Valentine's paper straws inside of it. Next, I'm going to be showing you another little DIY that I made with this snow globe I found at my local grocery store for only 39 cents. Apparently, this was a Christmas accessory and I just couldn't pass on the deal. So this was super easy. All I did was attach a little heart at the top with some hot glue, and I also added one of those red love stickers that I showed you on my last video. Then I just placed it inside my mirror tray. Next, I have these mini spoons that my husband bought me a while ago, and I'm just going to be adding this pink and red hearts to the handle part of the spoons. And I'm just using them like they are. These hearts already come with some sort of stickiness to them. I'm not adding glue because after Valentine's, I'm removing them from my spoons. Once I was done, this is the outcome of them. I think they look so super cute. I have 3 red ones and 3 pink ones, and then I'm just adding this pink little vase and this red heart lollipops that I bought at Walmart, but I dropped them and one broke. Anyways, I'm placing my lollipops inside my little pink jar, and then I'm placing my spoons inside the jar as well. Moving to the other side, I'm placing this cake dome right next to my coffee maker, and inside of it I'm adding these delicious pastries I found at my local store. And as you can imagine, they are gone. They didn't even last 48 hours in my house. And I always like to leave a mug in my coffee maker for decor purposes. And I had these 3 ideas that I like, and I couldn't decide which one to go with, so here they are. You guys let me know which one's your favorite or which one would you leave. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and got some ideas on how to decorate your coffee station for Valentine's Day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!